Hello friends, and welcome to AK Agrawal Aptitude series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a puzzle. Here the given puzzle is Mr. Anderson plans to go to a remote island. It needed 6 days to reach there. One person can carry food and water for just 4 days. What is the fewest number of more people Mr. Anderson needed to help him to carry enough food and water for this adventurous journey? Mr. Anderson wants to go to an island and journey time is 6 days, but he can carry food and water just for 4 days. So how many more persons should accompany him so that he safely reaches the island? That is the puzzle. So the answer for this puzzle is 2 people. So just let us call these 2 people helper 1 and helper 2. Just to solve this problem, helper 1 and helper 2. He accompany with him helper 1 and helper 2. It means helper 1 can carry 4 days food, helper 2 will carry 4 days food, and Mr. Anderson himself will also carry 4 days food. Now they start the journey with this much stuff. After end of the day 1, what will happen? These 3 will consume 3 days food in one day, because helper 1 he was carrying food for 4 days. So one day food was consumed by helper 1 itself, one day food was consumed by helper 2, and one day food was consumed by Anderson. So 3 days food is consumed after the end of day 1, and helper 2 was carrying all 4 days food, and Anderson himself was carrying 4 days food. Their food was intact. So at the end of day 1, helper 1 was left with 1 day food. So 3 person will consume H1's 3 days food. So at the end of the day 1, helper 1 will return back because he is having 1 day food. So at the end of day 1 he will return. So 1 day journey is over. At the end of the second day, what will happen? Now only helper 2 and Anderson they are traveling. Next day only 2 persons are traveling, H2 and Anderson. They will consume 2 days food of H2. So now H2 is left with 2 days food and Anderson is left with 4 days food. This is the end of the day 2. 2 persons will consume helper 2's 2 days food. This is the situation of food at the end of 2, means 2 days journey is over. Now what Anderson will do, he will send this helper 2 back to the home. So H2 will return at the end of the day 2. So now how many days journey is left? 4 days journey is left, and Anderson is left with 4 days food. Now Mr. Anderson have 4 days food to reach the island in next 4 days. So in this manner Anderson will reach the island with the help of 2 helpers, which we are calling helper 1 and helper 2. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. You can also join me on Facebook. Thank you very much.